Hey everybody, so today's question is sum root to leaf numbers. In this, we have given a binary tree and we have to go from root to leaf and form a number and finally return the sum of all the numbers that are possible to form that way. For example, we have this binary tree. So there is one root that is 1 and there are two leaves that is 3 and 4. So what are the ways that we can go from root to leaf? We can go from 1 to 3 with this way and from 1 to 4 this way. So we got 1 and 3 a number 13 and here 1, 2 and 4 a number 124. So we have to finally return the sum of these two numbers that is 137. So how can we do this? We can easily do this recursively. If there was only root, then we have only one. If it got another level or another children, its value got increased by 10 and we have to add 3 in it. And if it got another level, the value of this again got multiplied with 10 and this also and this got added in that. So we got 100 plus 20 plus 4 that is 124 and we have to finally return the sum of those numbers. So how can we do this? What can we easily do is we form a function in which we are taking root. We are then checking if root is not null because if it is null then we will simply return 0 and for every new value we got we will multiply the previous number with 10 and add the new value in it and then we will check if it have left or right children or not. If it don't have the left and right children, we will finally return our value. And if it has, we will count the digits also and we will do that recursively. And finally here, we will call our function and initially we will give it the value 0 because the sum will always start from 0. I have also given some custom test cases to it that are if we have only a root, then if we have only two numbers, a root and its children, and if a root have three children. So let's run our code. So while running our code, we got the same answer as the expected answer. So finally we submit and it got accepted. And I have also written this in Python. So here's my Python code. It is exactly the same version. So you can take a look. So I hope this is clear and this makes sense to you. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.